Hey everyone, it's Techify here. Let's talk tech internships. These aren't just summer jobs, they're your launch pad into the tech world. Think about it. Hands-on experience, networking with pros, and a head start on your career. As college students, you're in the perfect position to snag these golden opportunities. The competition is real, but so are the rewards. We're talking about big names like Google, Microsoft, Flipkart, and Amazon. These companies are on the cutting edge of technology, and they're looking for bright minds like yours. You'll be working on projects that matter, contributing to innovations that impact millions. Plus, you'll be learning from the best in the business. So are you ready to level up your tech game? Let's dive into the top internship programs for 2024. First up, Google Summer Internship 2025, the tech giant that needs no introduction. Their summer intern program is legendary for a reason. It's all about pushing boundaries and making a real impact. Google is all about engineering and innovation. During your internship, you'll be immersed in a culture of creativity and collaboration. Think brainstorming sessions, hackathons, and working alongside some of the brightest minds in tech. Whether you're into software engineering, data science, or user experience, Google has a spot for you. They're looking for students who are passionate about technology and eager to learn. But it's not all work and no play. Google knows how to have fun too. Expect intern events, social gatherings, and maybe even a chance to try out some of their cool new gadgets. Next, Microsoft Software Engineer Internship 2024, another tech powerhouse that's shaping the future. Their Azure data engineering team is at the forefront of the data revolution. Data is everything these days, and Microsoft is leading the charge in AI and data platforms. As an intern on the Azure data team, you'll be working on cutting-edge technologies that are changing the world. Think cloud computing, machine learning, and big data analytics. You'll be developing your technical skills while tackling real-world challenges. Microsoft is also committed to diversity and inclusion. They believe that the best ideas come from diverse perspectives. So you'll be part of a team that values your unique background and experiences. Flipkart GRID 6.0 2024. Now let's head over to India, where Flipkart is dominating the e-commerce scene. Their Grid Engineering Campus Challenge is a fantastic opportunity to experience the fast-paced world of online retail. Flipkart is all about growth and innovation. They're constantly looking for ways to improve their platform and provide the best possible experience for their customers. As an intern, you'll be working on real-world e-commerce problems. Think optimizing logistics, improving search algorithms, or developing new features for their app. You'll be exposed to the entire e-commerce ecosystem, from supply chain management to customer relationship management. It's a crash course in how a successful tech company operates. Amazon internships for students. Last but not least, we have Amazon, the undisputed king of e-commerce. Their supply chain analytics, product, and research Sharp team is responsible for making sure that everything runs smoothly, from the warehouse to your doorstep. Amazon's supply chain is a marvel of modern technology, and the Sharp team is at the heart of it all. As an intern, you'll be using data analysis, optimization techniques, and your problem-solving skills to improve the supply chain on a global scale. Think about the impact you can make. You could help reduce delivery times, optimize inventory management, or even develop new delivery methods. Amazon is known for its fast-paced and challenging work environment, but it's also a place where you can learn and grow at an incredible pace. Seize the opportunity. Your future starts now. So there you have it, the top internship programs for 2024. These are just a glimpse into the amazing opportunities that await you in the tech world. From Google's innovation labs to Amazon's global supply chain, you have the chance to be a part of something big. You'll gain invaluable experience, build your network, and set yourself up for a successful tech career. It's your chance to prove yourself, learn from the best, and make a real impact. So what are you waiting for? Check out the links provided in the description and get ready to launch your tech career. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on amazing opportunities.